Welcome to Coral Cottage on the top end of North End, Virginia Beach. We are just minutes away from First Landing National Park, State Park. Sorry, that is just up the road. So here, walking into the garage, you can see you can park one vehicle in here. We have some beach essentials for you that you are more than welcome to use: chairs, umbrella, beach cart. We have a ping pong table and everything you need there. You can also access, if you want a little bit of quiet in the morning, come through here and you have a seating area. If you want to do some grilling, here you go. And then moving into the main house, everything is up the stairs. There is no elevator in this place, but the living quarters are upstairs. From this landing, you'll walk into this gorgeous living room. So just to the left of the stairwell, you'll see the laundry machine, the half bathroom, and then moving into this living space, we have board games, books throughout the home. In case it rains, you have plenty of entertainment. Enough seating for everyone to enjoy our smart TVs. You can log into. Go ahead and sit down for a nice, lovely meal as a family. Or if you're catching a football game, you can see that from the dining room table as well. Moving into the kitchen area. This is a fully equipped kitchen with everything you need to meal prep, store, clean. Might as well use the dishwasher. You don't have to do any dishes on your vacation, because who wants to do that? Make sure you bring your coffee with you, as we have a coffee pot and everything you need to prep your coffee in the morning. A little seating area just for a little bit of a quick snack, early morning cup of coffee, or you can enjoy it on this newly renovated patio. As you can see, it's a very quiet neighborhood here. This is the middle of the day, in the middle of the summer, so a very busy time for the beach, but it is an extremely quiet neighborhood, somewhere you can enjoy with your family. Now up to the third floor for the rest of the bedrooms. You'll come through the living room here. Oh, sorry, we forgot the master suite. We're gonna do that first. Here on the second floor is the master suite. We have a king bed, so you can experience all the luxury. And this has plenty of storage, as you can see here. Gorgeous built-in bookshelf and dresser. Moving into the attached private bathroom. This is a full bathroom shower tub combination for those who love to enjoy both. We have plenty of storage here in this large walk-in closet. And now we will head upstairs to the rest of the home. Up to the third floor here are the other two bedrooms. This is the bathroom that both bedrooms will share here. It's another full bathroom. Another shower tub combination, plenty of storage for everybody. The first bedroom can sleep comfortably up to 3 people. We have a full bed with 2 twin bunk beds. An empty closet for everyone to store their belongings in. And our last bedroom, here is another full bed. And if you need to fit one more person in here, that is actually a pull-out couch, another twin bed. So there's plenty of sleeping arrangements for everybody, no matter what size party you have. This is Coral Cottage. We look forward to having you. Please let us know when you want to book.